Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is July the 9th, 2024. Yesterday, we took a look at Chicago wheat futures and the historic trading ranges and historic highs relative to where the price is trading today. The feedback I got from that was quite encouraging. And if you haven't caught that video, check it out. I think you might find some utility there, and I look forward to your comments. Today, though, we'll look at soybean futures, and we have a chart here that's going back to 1969. Now, this is the monthly chart, so it records the closing monthly price. So you don't always get the high of the price during the month, but you'll get the closing monthly price. So take a look at this price right now. This chart right now. We can see how in 1972, we saw a rapid rise in the price of soybeans. Now, if you're not familiar with this time period, it involved a great grain robbery, involved Russia, and there's an interesting, fascinating story about it, and I encourage you to maybe check out the book, The Great Grain Robbery. I have not read that one, but I have read Merchants of Grain, which is a fantastic read if you want to learn about the grain industry in the 1970s. It's a fantastic story. So anyways, we saw the great rise up in 1972, 73. It peaked, and then throughout the 70s and all the way to the 2007, 2008, soybeans traded in quite a wide range, but a cap basically around that $10, $9.70, $10 range on the monthly chart. So you can see the trading range here. Since then, we saw another commodity boom. Jim Rogers wrote about this, foreshadowing this possible commodity boom. And since then, we saw prices as high. I don't even know what this even goes up to 17, 18 bucks. And the previous highs have been acting as support. So previous resistance often acts as support, and we are seeing that on the soybean chart right now. Today's soybeans are trading at 10.96, and we're getting down to this previous resistance level. Now it's a wide band. It goes all the way down from, on the monthly chart, it goes down like $8 all the way up to 10.60. So it's a wide band of potential support. It'll be very interesting to me to see how soybeans trade as they get closer to this level. The weekly chart has more wiggles and squiggles on there, and we can see here how $10, $10.50 has been acted as an important level historically. We're just at that level right now, or just above it. Again, we're going to be looking at this chart and monitoring it closely, because I'm fascinated how price has memory and how resistance acts as support often. And will that happen in this particular period of time? Stay tuned, but keep your eye on these charts. It's an interesting time to be alive in the commodity space, and hopefully we can get some stronger prices, but it is important to know where potential support can come from. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's overcast in Saskatoon. Life's good.